Hi YouTube family, Paul here at Paul Phillips Fix. I just had my alternator fail on my Impala last night coming home. It was right before dark. I got a warning light, my battery idiot light came on the car. I killed my headlights, I rushed home, I made it home. I tested my voltage last night and I was getting 14 volts. So I figured my battery connectors were maybe a little corroded. Shut the car down for the night. I go out to start it this morning. It was dead as a doornail. I tried jumping it. I couldn't even do that. I couldn't even get my dome lights to come on. I got good jumper cables and a heavy-duty alternator in my truck. Still wouldn't put a charge on the battery at all. I figured I had a shorted out cell or something. So I tried to get that replaced under warranty from Advanced Auto. They wouldn't give me a replacement because the first battery that failed had died within the 3-year warranty period. They replaced it free of charge. Now, the warranty on a new battery is not good for 3 years. It starts at the date that you purchased the first battery. I don't like the way these companies are doing business. Kind of sucks. So anyway, my alternator had a lifetime warranty. It went on me last time. It killed one of my fucking batteries again, which is what happened this time. This one fried my battery. When I put the new battery on, I checked it with a voltmeter and I was putting out over 18 volts, which would have killed this battery. So I disconnected it, shut the car down, and I get on Rock Auto's site. They won't do a return on that alternator because a return has been done once already. So obviously the customer again gets it up the ass because they will only replace your alternator one time. Now I have to go through a manufacturer warranty. They have a lifetime warranty if it's not used for fleet vehicles, racing, or off-road capabilities. Mine's a normal car used for personal use. So I downloaded this form from TYC Genera Corporation. It doesn't even give me a damn address to send it to. Alright? I've got to try to find their address online. I want another alternator. I wouldn't put it in my car again because obviously this TYC Genera alternators are total shit because they've cost me 2 car batteries already. Alright, so that's 2 alternators in 3 years. Come on guys, that's ridiculous. That's absolute garbage. I think I'm going to go on eBay and take my chance with a rebuilt, remanufactured alternator, 125 amps for $90.95. I bet you the thing will last me more than 3 years. I'm just disgusted. I'm disgusted with these manufacturers. They turn the screws to us on their price gouging on stuff, and their warranty and customer service sucks. So I just wanted to let you guys know you're not the only ones going through this. You know, if you're getting screwed around with your parts, I try to do the best I can. Rock Auto has been good most of the time. Advanced Auto has been pretty decent too. AutoZone, Duralast products, absolute garbage. My friend's been screwed around by them. He threw his whole front end components in. They went in 16 months. He's like, oh, it's got a warranty. What does that matter? Your wheel comes off while you're doing 70 miles an hour and you get killed. You know? He's going to have to do his whole front end again in 16 to 18 months. I asked him if he was going to go with Duralast warranty again. He's going with Moog. That's a smart move. So what this is all about is, I guess, dealing with the American way. Corporate greed and shitty products. Well guys, try to take good care of your cars because they will take care of you if you can find good parts anywhere. I wish you luck. Take care. Thanks for watching. Please give a like and subscribe, help our channel grow, and hit that notification button. Sometimes I do put useful information on here, I hope. Take care, guys. Be well. Enjoy your holidays. Bye-bye.